Welcome back to CarWow 787, the channel where we explore the most exciting cars from the past, the present, and the future. Today, we are diving into something truly special. It's a car that defined an era, became a symbol of lightweight performance, and left an unforgettable mark on automotive history. And now, after more than half a century, Chevrolet has reimagined it for a new generation. This is the story of the Chevrolet Vega GT 1970, reborn as the all-new 2026 Chevy Vega GT, a modern revival that blends retro soul with cutting-edge engineering. If you've been waiting for Chevy to bring back a true compact performance icon, this one will surprise you. Let's take a deep look at what the reborn Vega GT brings to the modern automotive world. The original 1970 Vega GT was known for its sporty design, lightweight body, and youthful driving personality. It was a car built for people who wanted excitement without breaking the bank. The 2026 Vega GT keeps that spirit alive, but upgrades every single aspect with the kind of performance and technology the original could only dream of. The first thing that catches your attention is the exterior. Chevy has created a perfect blend of retro inspiration and modern aggression. The front fascia features slim LED headlights with a design that echoes the classic Vega's shape while reinventing it with a sharper, more futuristic look. A sculpted grille with a blacked-out honeycomb pattern sits low to the ground, giving the car a performance-focused stance from the moment you see it. The hood has muscular lines that pay homage to the original GT, while the side profile stays true to the Vega's compact, athletic proportions. Short overhangs, wide fenders, and a low-slung roofline all come together to create a silhouette that feels both nostalgic and modern. Chevrolet has introduced new wheel options, including lightweight forged alloys that further reduce unsprung weight and improve handling. The rear of the car is one of the most striking parts of the redesign. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, inspired by the original shape, but executed with clean modern styling. The dual exhaust tips and sculpted rear bumper finish the car with a sporty edge, giving the new Vega GT a presence that turns heads instantly. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has taken the retro theme and blended it with futuristic simplicity. The dashboard features a driver-focused layout with clean lines and modern materials. Instead of overloading the interior with unnecessary screens, Chevy has chosen a balanced approach: a digital driver display and an intuitive central touchscreen that's neatly integrated into the dash. The graphics are crisp, the response time is fast, and the menus are clean and easy to navigate. The new infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Chevy's connected services. All of this makes daily use feel effortless. Chevrolet has also included retro touches that fans of the original Vega GT will appreciate. Circular vents inspired by the classic design, contrast stitching that mirrors 1970s patterns, and sporty bucket seats with integrated headrests make the cabin feel special. The seats themselves have been redesigned for 2026 with improved bolstering, better cushioning, and more adjustability for both comfort and spirited driving. The steering wheel is compact and sporty, offering precise feedback and a premium grip. In terms of materials, Chevrolet has moved the Vega GT far beyond anything the original could offer. Soft-touch surfaces, aluminum-style trim, and high-quality fabric or leather options elevate the cabin experience. The sound insulation has been greatly improved, giving the 2026 Vega GT a quieter, more refined ride. Even though this is a compact performance car, interior space is surprisingly practical. The rear seats are usable for short trips, and the trunk offers enough room for everyday essentials, making the Vega GT more versatile than many rivals. Now let's talk about what powers this reborn legend. The 2026 Chevrolet Vega GT comes with a lightweight, turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering strong horsepower and excellent torque. Throughout the rev range, Chevy has tuned the engine to be punchy, responsive, and fun, capturing the spirit of the original Vega GT but with far more performance. The turbo system has minimal lag, delivering instant acceleration, whether you're cruising in the city or pushing the car on open roads. For drivers who want even more excitement, Chevrolet offers a performance package with upgraded cooling, stronger brakes, a sport exhaust system, and a tuned suspension for sharper handling. The engine is paired with either a crisp shifting manual gearbox for purists or a fast and intelligent automatic transmission for drivers who want modern convenience. Both options are designed to maximize the car's lightweight feel and responsive power delivery. Handling is one of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Vega GT. Chevrolet has engineered the chassis to be stiff, agile, and balanced. The car feels planted through corners with precise steering and minimal body roll. The suspension setup strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort, absorbing road imperfections without sacrificing sharpness. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or simply driving through your daily commute, the Vega GT feels alive in your hands. Its low weight and compact size make it incredibly fun and easy to control. Fuel efficiency has also been improved thanks to the lightweight design and modern engine technology. The turbocharged setup ensures that you get strong power when needed while maintaining impressive efficiency. When cruising, Chevrolet has implemented aerodynamic refinements to reduce drag and improve overall performance. Even small details like active grille shutters and optimized underbody panels contribute to a smoother ride and better fuel economy. In terms of safety and modern features, the 2026 Vega GT offers advanced driver assist technologies found in modern Chevy vehicles. These include lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a high-resolution 360-degree camera system. Chevy has also improved structural integrity with stronger materials and reinforced areas around the cabin, giving the Vega GT excellent crash protection and higher safety ratings. Driving the new Vega GT is an experience that blends emotion and precision. You feel connected to the road, just like drivers did with the original 1970 model. But now with the support of modern engineering and technology, the sound from the sport-tuned exhaust gives a satisfying growl. The turbocharger provides confident power, and the tight steering makes every corner feel meaningful. Chevrolet has succeeded in making the Vega GT a true driver's car once again. Even though this is a modern performance machine, Chevrolet has kept the Vega GT approachable. It's fun without being intimidating, fast without being excessive, and stylish without being overdone. It brings back the charm of the 1970 classic, while offering everything you'd expect from a car built for 2026. Whether you're a fan of automotive history or simply looking for a compact sports car packed with personality, the new Vega GT offers something uniquely exciting. As we wrap up this deep dive, the return of the Chevrolet Vega GT in 2026 is more than just a revival. It's a tribute, a modern interpretation of a legendary nameplate designed to inspire a new generation of drivers. Chevrolet has taken a bold step by blending heritage with innovation, and the result is a compact performance car that stands out in a market filled with sameness. If you love cars with soul, with history, and with attitude, the new Vega GT will definitely make an impression. Thanks for watching. CarWow 787. If you enjoyed this full breakdown of the 2026 Chevrolet Vega GT revival, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more future car reviews and concept deep dives. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload, and comment below to tell me your thoughts on Chevrolet bringing back the Vega GT. Which classic car do you want to see reborn next? Let me know. This is CarWow 787, and I'll see you in the next